I fired my voice actor, and I'm never going back. Let me explain what happened. For 8 months, I paid a freelance voice actor for my YouTube videos. It cost me over $800 per month, sometimes more, depending on the script length. Every script change meant another recording session. Every revision meant waiting 2 or 3 days, sometimes longer if they were busy. And the worst part, if they got sick, or booked, or just flaked. My entire content schedule collapsed. I was losing money waiting on other people. That lack of control was driving me crazy. One missed deadline cost me a sponsored video. That was a $1,500 loss in one day. I knew I needed a better solution. That's when I found Fish Audio. Fish Audio is an AI voice generation platform. It creates hyper-realistic human speech from text. Not robotic, not flat, not obviously AI. Real voice, real emotion, real nuance. The first time I heard a sample, I was shocked. It sounded exactly like a professional voice actor. No metallic artifacts, no unnatural pauses, just clean, natural, expressive speech. Here's exactly how it works. You paste your script into the text box. Pick a voice from the massive library. There are hundreds of preset voices to choose from. Young, old, male, female, warm, energetic, authoritative, every tone and style you can imagine. You can even clone your own voice. That's the feature that changed everything for me. Fish Audio lets you record a few minutes of your voice. Then it learns your exact tone and cadence, every pause, every inflection, every breath pattern. Your AI voice clone sounds exactly like you, but with perfect delivery every single time. I cloned my voice in under 10 minutes. The result was eerie. My wife couldn't tell the clone from the real me. She actually got annoyed when I told her. She thought I was pranking her. This changes everything for content creators. I tested the AI voice against my real voice actor. Same script, same video topic, same audio format. I uploaded both versions to a test channel. Then I asked 50 random people to guess which was AI. Only 3 people guessed correctly. That's a 94% fool rate. Think about that. Almost nobody can tell the difference. The AI voice actually scored higher on professionalism. It had better pacing, cleaner articulation, 0 mouth clicks, 0 background noise, no retakes ever needed. Here's the part that completely blew my mind. The AI version took 60 seconds to generate. 60 seconds. My voice actor took 3 days on average. 3 full days versus 1 minute. That's over 4,000 times faster. And it costs $0. Not $800, not $50, not $10, 0. Fish Audio has a generous free tier. You get thousands of characters every month. Enough to voice several full-length videos. For free. Every single month. If you need more capacity. The paid plans start cheap. I'm talking a few dollars per month. Compare that to a human voice actor. It's not even a competition. The math is impossible to ignore. I canceled my voice actor contract the same day. Best business decision I made all year. Here's what happened after I switched. My content output doubled immediately. I went from 2 videos per week to 5. My watch time increased by 60%. My monthly channel revenue jumped 40%. Not because the AI voice was better than a great actor, but because I was no longer bottlenecked. I could produce faster, test faster, pivot faster. I could iterate on scripts until 4 in the morning and still have the final voiceover ready by breakfast. Speed became my real competitive advantage. Let me share 3 ways I'm using Fish Audio now. First, YouTube voiceovers obviously. It handles my main channel narration perfectly. Second, short-form content. I repurpose my long videos into TikToks and Reels. The AI generates fresh voiceovers for each platform. Third, client work. I run a small content agency on the side. I now offer voiceover as a zero-cost upsell. Clients love the quality. I love the margin. Here's another use case I didn't expect. Multi-language content. Fish Audio supports over a dozen languages. Same voice, different language, perfect accent. I'm now reaching Spanish and French audiences from the exact same scripts, just translated. My international revenue is growing monthly. This is the part most people miss. AI voice is not just about replacing a voice actor. It's about unlocking entirely new workflows. Workflows that were impossible with human talent. 24/7 availability, infinite scalability, 0 coordination. Now you're probably thinking, this all sounds amazing for voiceovers, but what about music? Good question. The same AI revolution is transforming music production. Tools like Suno AI create entire songs from text prompts, vocals, instruments, mixing, mastering, all AI generated. You can make a professional sounding song in minutes. No studio, no microphone, no expensive gear, no years of music training required. Just type your idea and hit generate, and once your track is ready, you need distribution. That's where DistroKid comes in. DistroKid puts your music on Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, every major streaming platform on the planet. Unlimited uploads, One flat yearly fee, no per-release charges, no hidden costs. I have been using DistroKid for over 2 years. It's the fastest way to go from AI creation to streaming revenue. You make the music. DistroKid handles everything else. Right now, you can get 7% off with my VIP link.